Hey everybody, it's Jen Kramer. Thanks so much for watching Up and Running with Bootstrap 3. I hope you're as excited about the wonderful advances that Bootstrap has made in this latest version. And there's so much more that you can learn about Bootstrap at this point. I'm on getbootstrap.com. Click on the Customize button. Now that you have a sense of how Bootstrap works, this customized page might make a little bit more sense to you in terms of customizing your download of Bootstrap for using on your website. You might also start looking into some of the advanced styling features in Bootstrap, working with the less files that are there. And of course, reading up on all of the other things that go into Bootstrap that I just didn't have time to cover in this particular course. If you're still not quite sure what responsive design is, you might want to take a look at James Williamson's course, Responsive Design Fundamentals. This course is going to go through exactly what responsive design is in a little bit more detail, talk a little bit more about grid systems, media queries, and managing your images. So this would be a good way to get a little bit more background on it if you're still feeling a bit unclear, particularly on Bootstrap's grid system. And if you're ready for something more advanced with Bootstrap, my good friend Ray Villalobos has recorded 2 titles on Bootstrap 3 so far. If you've previously worked with Bootstrap 2 and you have a website that you need to move to Bootstrap 3, Ray's going to walk you through that here in the Bootstrap 3 New Features and Migration. So this course will tell you all about how you can move your site that's built in the old form of Bootstrap into this latest version. And he also has a course called Bootstrap 3 Advanced Web Development. And he's got some very cool web applications that you can build using Bootstrap. It was quite an impressive product that he put together in this course. It looks like a lot of fun. Finally, if you're curious about other responsive design frameworks, you might want to take a look at my course Up and Running with Foundation. Foundation is the closest competitor to Bootstrap, and it's actually fairly different from Bootstrap. It has a lot less off-the-shelf styling, but at the same time, it has tremendous flexibility for working with styling. If you're just going to be building something and you want to have ultimate control over every style on the page, I think Foundation is a great choice for you. Foundation also has some features that are not present in Bootstrap, like the ability to set up your responsive images. Using JavaScript, it'll load the right image for you. That's in its JavaScript feature that is called Interchange. It's got some great Glyphicon fonts that you can use. These are actually fonts that they designed themselves, so there's like 240 icons for those. And it's also got a sophisticated grid system, and it's got a lot of wonderful features and functionality. So if you're curious about what's better for your next project, you might want to try checking out Up and Running with Foundation. So I hope you've enjoyed this course, and I hope to see you again in another course at lynda.com really, really soon.